Good morning, guys! Guys, it's this time of the year where I can finally start my video by lighting up my Christmas tree! I put up Christmas decorations a few days ago and literally you should have seen how excited I was. I filmed a mini video on TikTok, so I will have it on the screen so you can see it. I was so excited. This green tea. Also recently bought this clear mug. I think it looks really cute. I really love anything clear. Also guys, I will show you this evening the Christmas decorations because now it's morning and you won't be able to see them properly. So guys, for breakfast today I crave something savory. I usually have protein pancakes or baked oats, but today I just want something different. So I think I will have my favorite savory breakfast, which is avocado toast and fried egg. So let's make it! Lighting trembling here in this area. Can you see it or is it just me? Should I ignore it? I will ignore it. So guys, if you watch my fitness related videos, you will see that I usually feel very motivated and excited to go to the gym, and I mostly eat healthy meals and I talk about the importance of a healthy lifestyle and all these things. But also I wanted to share with you the days where I don't feel that motivated and I don't want to eat healthy and I don't want to do any form of exercise, not just weight training, I don't want to move my body at all, because I wanted to remind you that you're not alone and that everyone has these days and it's very normal. Just remember that you're always going to have those days where you don't feel like training. The key is to know what to do on those days. Listen to your body, know when it's time to take a step back and take it easy, know when it's time to play a game or switch up your routine, and know when it's time to do your planned workout anyway. It's more than okay to miss 1 or 2 workouts or even 5. And something that I always say, fitness is a lifestyle, and that's why it's so normal to have all these ups and downs in this fitness journey. Okay guys, and now to the moment that you've all been waiting for. Actually, I was waiting for this moment. I'm about to show you my Christmas decorations and also put this reindeer headband on. Is that a headband? Okay guys, so I don't have many Christmas decorations. I usually decorate my living room and also my front door, and the only thing that's missing is the lights outside. I usually put lights on the trees. Okay, so here is my dining table. I have this nut cracker and I have this cute house here and I have this tablecloth. Is this how it's called? And here is my living room. Okay, so on the table I have these cute 3 Santa Clauses, and on this side I have this Xmas decoration, and also here I have this tablecloth again. On this area, this is my favorite decoration. I have this gnome. I think it looks so cute. It's so soft. I wish you could touch this. I think it looks so cute. Okay, so this is how my front door looks like. I just have this wreath and that's all. And my favorite doormat. I think it looks so cute. Good morning guys! It is the next day. So guys, I was about to make my normal coffee routine, almond milk latte, but then I remembered that last week I saw this video by Emma Chamberlain on her Chamberlain Coffee channel on YouTube. She made this coffee that tasted like... I'm sorry if you can hear the sound, it's my dishwasher. It stopped. Okay. She made this coffee that tastes like cinnamon bun, and I'm obsessed with cinnamon buns. I love this flavor, so I really wanted to try it. So yeah, I just thought that today is the day we're gonna do it together. Okay, so as you can see, here's my little coffee area. I will have her video in the description box in case you wanna check it out if you haven't watched it already. Okay guys, so the first thing she does is to take an espresso cup. I will use this one. And she adds 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I will just eyeball it. Okay, and then she adds a lot of brown sugar. I'm not a sweet coffee kind of girl. It's not like this coffee is going to be my go-to everyday kind of coffee. But if I crave something sweet, I think it will taste amazing. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, now it's time to make the espresso shot. I will take a little bit closer. I will put it in this. Okay, now she takes the cup that we have the cinnamon and the brown sugar, and okay, so the next thing she does is to put a little bit of vanilla extract in this cup. I will just eyeball it again. Okay, the next thing is to take a mag. I'm gonna use this clear one that I showed you yesterday, and we're gonna pour the whole espresso inside. So the next step is to add steamed milk. I will do it now. I'm gonna use almond milk, this one. I haven't even tried it and I'm so obsessed with it already. It smells so amazing, I can't. So the last thing she does is to put coconut whipped cream. I don't have coconut whipped cream, I have normal whipped cream, so I will use this one. I will use this one. Let's do it. And the last touches. A little bit of cinnamon. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I think it turned out amazing. Okay, so let's see what we made. It's so good. It has the cinnamon, it has the sweet flavor from the brown sugar and the whipping cream, the almond milk. Oh my god, this whole combination is a 10 out of 10. You definitely need to try it guys, it tastes amazing. And if you are like me and you can have, you can drink cacao or hot chocolate or anything related, this is definitely a good replacement. Hi again! So guys, in general, I wouldn't call myself the biggest fan of baking. I love to bake, but I don't do it very often. I've noticed during this time of year, like during fall, winter, or when we're getting closer to Christmas, we start feeling a little bit more festive, I would say. I think I bake more and I enjoy it more. And yeah, so that's what I'm about to do now. This is my baking situation. I have all the ingredients that I'm gonna need. So the recipe that I'm about to do today is from the Beyond app. It's one of my favorite fitness apps ever, and it's called Coffee Walnut Muffins. Okay, so all the ingredients that we're going to need: banana, Greek yogurt, eggs, maple syrup, instant coffee powder, blended oats or oat flour, baking powder, bicarb of soda, and walnuts. Of course, I will have the recipe in the description box, like always, in case you want to try it. And now to my favorite part of the recipe. And now I'm going to evenly distribute the butter, or at least I'll try. Okay, now the recipe says that we're gonna bake them for 15 to 18 minutes. Guys, after 15 minutes our muffins are ready. They smell amazing. Oh. Oh my god! They came out very easily. Look at this. Okay guys, they came out very easily, so you don't need the knife or anything. You just use your hands. Voila! Of course we're gonna have a taste test together, like always. This is a tradition here in this channel. Of course we're gonna have a taste test together in front of the tree. I think it turned out amazing. So let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. 10 out of 10. Also, it's not heavy at all. Like, it's a really good healthy snack. You can have it, you know, as an afternoon snack, or maybe after the gym, or before the gym, or you can take it anywhere with you. Okay guys, so I think that I'm gonna finish this video here in front of the tree. Like I started the video in front of the tree. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. And I will hopefully see you to my next video. Bye!